In this video, we will learn about subtotal function in Excel. You might think it to be somewhat like sum of selected values, but the subtotal function is capable of much more. Apart from its ability to return a sum, it can also give us average, count, max and several other results. But today, we will specifically focus on variance of population and understand this function with few examples in this video. So stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. The subtotal function itself has 11 functions within it. This function always ignores values removed by autofilter. What we see here is that there are two sets of the same function numbers available, but one set includes hidden cell values while the other set excludes hidden cell values. We will learn more about this in a while. There are two variance formulas in Excel. One with .p which calculates variance for population and other with .s for sample. So in this video, we will see variance of population. So to keep it simple, in this video, when I say variance, I will be referring it to variance of population. Let us start with the variance within the subtotal function. So our function goes like equal to subtotal open parenthesis 11 which stands for variance, comma, our amount range which is B2 till B15. We'll just freeze this range, so when we copy this cell, our range doesn't get disturbed. Close parenthesis, and we got the variance from our amounts. Now the question is, how subtotal variance function is different from regular variance function? To understand this, let us get variance for the same range with regular function here, equal to var.p open parenthesis b2 till b15 close parenthesis, and our result is same with both the functions. Now let us apply filter on our amount range and get only the rows which has amount greater than 6000. As we can see that the variance we got with subtotal function changed when we filtered our range, and now this function is giving us variance of the remaining cells in the range. Whereas the regular variance function has not changed. There is no effect on this function whether the range is filtered or not. So this is the basic difference between the regular and subtotal variance function. In subtotal function itself, there are two variance functions, one with code 11 and another with code 111. We have already seen the variance function with code 11. Now let us see how this function is different from the other. Let us use this function on the same range. We will just copy paste our formula and change the code from 11 to 111. And our result is same. Now let us remove the filter from our range. We can see that the result of both the variance with code 11 and code 111 are still same. Now let us hide few rows from the range, and now we can see that there is mismatch in the result. What happens here is that the variance function with code 11 includes the hidden rows, whereas the function with code 111 excludes them when calculating the variance. Now before we conclude the video, let us sum up what we saw right now in a nutshell. Regular variance function calculates the variance from the given range of cells irrespective of whether the range has hidden cells or the range is filtered. But the variance function in subtotal calculates the variance from the given range of cells, and both changes dynamically when the range is filtered. But when the range is not filtered, both these functions behaves differently if the range has few hidden rows. The variance function with code 11 includes the hidden rows in calculation, but the function with code 111 excludes them. In case if you have any query on this, do write it in the comment box below and I will try to answer them. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.